guys, what's up? It's Lily and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another squishy video. So, okay, let me phrase that really slow. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lily. I'm back with another squishy video. Okay, I'm supposed to smell it. I know it doesn't smell good. I'm back with another squishy video and I'm going to be showing you guys some of my squishies. So this is Squishy video part 2. Go ahead and watch Squishy part 1 before you watch this one, or you can watch this one before Squishy part 1, or you just don't have to watch all of them. So yeah, let's start with the video. I'm going to do this. So this is a croissant. Hold on, I have slime on this. Alright, so this is my croissant. It is like a weird colored croissant. Yeah. It's really squishy. Doesn't really smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. And it's not very thick, but I mean it's thick enough. Next is my big loaf of bread. This one will take a while to rise up. It is super slow rising. It's super soft and it smells so good. It does have some rips and tears, but that doesn't really bother me because, well, it's a loaf of bread and it has all of these squares all over it. So that doesn't really bother me. I like to crumple it in a ball and just let it rise. So I only have 3 squishies right now because my friend has my other squishies and I won't get them back until Monday. But yeah. Next one is a shell or something. I drew a face on it with the markers that you can use to draw stuff on squishies. This one does feel like it has air in it, and I'm pretty sure that it is more slow rising than this one. Oh, nope, never mind. But it definitely does feel like there is air in it. And so, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, there is definitely air in it. And it's really slow rising. Doesn't smell like anything. But yeah, but it definitely does take a long time to rise back up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.